Anna DITTMANN, Special Treatment version 3. We start the special treatment with electric diamonds that we have sprinkled on this area that is highlighted on her forehead. So sprinkle your electric diamonds there. For version 2, we've got titanium diamonds that we have sprinkled on the purple areas on her shoulders right over here. These are the titanium diamonds, as well as some over here on top of her head. Those are the titanium diamonds. And finally, for version 3, we've got aqua crystals that we have sprinkled on the green areas of the picture right here as well. So once again, for Camouflage by Anna DITTMANN, version 3 special treatment, you've got electric diamonds, titanium diamonds, and aqua crystals.